What's up, guys? Jovani's here. Today we're gonna in the Sonic, but with the Chewer Dog. Yeah. GameStop in the Midwest City, or is it Dell City? There's two cities by I-40. I think I just got GameStop in Midwest City, or is it Dell City? Do you think it's in the Midwest City or Dell City? Comment below. Okay. Let's take a look at the packaging. The packaging looks different because it's a 31st anniversary. Yeah. Look at oh. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, look at Sonic with the chili dog. Okay, let's open. Okay. This is garbage. Okay. Sonic. Nope, I don't see it. Okay, I don't have to cut it. Stuck. Oh, okay, I got it. Oh. Alright, look at Sonic with the chewy dog. Yeah. He got a chewy dog or is it his hot dog? I don't know. Okay, that's so cool, guys. Alright, let's put this down. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. You got a chewy dog. Oh, chewy dog. It's my favorite. I may eat it now. Nom 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 nom. Sonic, you eat a chewy dog. Right? Yes, Jovani. You can eat it now, Sonic. Thanks, Sonic. I gotta go. See ya. Oh my god. That's really all the videos. So, thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe. And turn for some kisses. Oh, we have one more. Is Mario Galaxy movie Happy Meal. But tomorrow we're gonna do the last one. Jovani Marquez on 3. Because I think we should do it in a Jovani Marquez on the Hedgehog 3 summer. Yeah, so see you tomorrow.